If you need to end an AnyDesk session quickly, safely, and without confusion, this video will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're the person connected to someone else's computer or someone is remotely controlling your device, I'll show you the fastest ways to disconnect the session and fully stop access. This is a really useful skill to know, especially if you use remote support, work from home, or just want to make sure your computer is no longer being accessed. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first method is the easiest one. If the AnyDesk session is already open, move your mouse to the top of the screen. This should reveal the session toolbar. Once the toolbar appears, look for the red disconnect button. Click that button to immediately end the session. This is usually the fastest and cleanest way to close the connection. If you don't see the toolbar right away, just move your mouse around the top edge of the screen a little more slowly, because it may hide itself until you hover in the right area. Another simple option is to close the active AnyDesk tab or window. If the session is running in a browser or in a desktop window, closing that window will also terminate the connection. That said, if you want to be certain the session is fully ended, I recommend using the red disconnect button whenever possible, because it clearly stops the remote connection from that side. Now, if someone else is controlling your computer and you want to stop it immediately, the steps are just as easy. First, locate the active AnyDesk Accept window on your desktop. This is the window that shows the current connection or session status. Inside that window, click the disconnect button or use the standard X in the corner to close it right away. Either of these actions should terminate the session immediately and stop the other person from continuing to control your device. If you're concerned about any background access or want to make absolutely sure the connection is no longer active, there's one more step you should do. Look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of Windows and find the AnyDesk icon. Right-click that icon and choose Quit. This exits AnyDesk completely and helps prevent any lingering access in the background. It's a smart final step if you want to be extra careful after ending a session. So to recap, if you're in an AnyDesk session, move your mouse to the top, click the red disconnect button or close the active window. And if someone is controlling your computer, use the accept window to disconnect, then right-click the AnyDesk tray icon and quit the app to fully stop background access. I hope this quick guide made it easy to end an AnyDesk session on your own. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.